So as Gal mentioned, I think that building an AI-first customer org, you could focus both on how making your customers more autonomous and less reliant on you, and making you more autonomous and less reliant on other departments in your organization. So I'm going to talk a bit about a few examples here. So ZoomInfo, and I think that someone, at least one person from ZoomInfo, from the ZoomInfo team is here. So thank you, and like you're awesome. So they actually built a fully self-service and personalized onboarding experience. You could read the full story here. But what's really amazing with the way that they approach it is that they gave the customer the power to launch their own onboarding experience, to provide their own goals and timelines and the tools that they would like to integrate. And they even gamified the experience in a way that will make the customer really feel like they owned this program. So this is just like one example of what a ZoomInfo customer will see when they launch their onboarding system. In addition to that, and that's a great customer-facing element to engage with customers, they gave really clear visibility to the different phases of the onboarding journey that the ZoomInfo customer will take. So me as a customer, I don't speak with a rep from the ZoomInfo end, but I still have full visibility to where I stand and how far I progressed in my journey. And another, in order to delight the customer, we also celebrate specific milestones and specific stages, so the customer can feel that they're always achieved something, which increases the motivation of them to actually move forward with this onboarding plan. So the results are really, really, really great. And this is just like one example of how making your customers more autonomous. Onboarding is something that many customers, that any company struggle to an extent with onboarding. So giving the power to customers is something that could really help you scale and be more autonomous. Yeah, and Alison here wrote, Alison from the ZoomInfo team, she just added her LinkedIn here. So you should definitely connect with her. I just want to show like a real life example on how we can actually vibe code and outcome together. So let's say that I have a customer and I would like to onboard them to Ever After or to any other company. So what we could actually do, and we use AI to do a lot of the stuff in Ever After. So let's say that I'm connected to my actual help center that is hosted in Zendesk. And let's say that I would like to create an onboarding program for my customer, focusing on integrating Salesforce and creating customer-facing experiences. So what is going to happen now? So our studio, which is our vibe coding element, will now wake up and ask our help center, hey, please provide me anything that you can tell me about Salesforce and about how to onboard to Ever After. And once we do that, the studio will actually create a program that I could very easily deploy and publish to my customers. So we can see now that it's thinking, it gives me some information. And a process, okay, it actually even give me a question. So let's do it. So what's nice about that is that it's already connected to all of our data sources and our knowledge base. So we have the context and we have all of our context layer about our customers. So it's very easy to design a really good experience for them. Okay. In the meanwhile, I see that it already gave me some draft. Not sure if I like it, but let's do merge into one component with tabs per section. And let's give it another task in the meanwhile.